Hello, welcome to Monday of week 10. Yes, we're in week 10, but many of you are still working on week 9, or maybe you're just starting week 9. I know last week was really chaotic and stressful and crazy for everyone. So don't stress about where you are. Just pick up where you are and start working there. So I'm going to run through a little bit of week 9 really quickly, and then I'm going to talk about week 10 in this recording. So week 9, you were supposed to have worked on the article annotation assignment that I gave the last day we were in class together. I have a document for you here with my own work on an article annotation assignment. I also have a video here on developing a research question because that was what you were supposed to do. And my research question is on this article annotation assignment document. Then you were supposed to work on your statement of purpose, and that is the same assignment that we did with the research essay, but geared toward this short article, and there's a video that goes over it, and I believe that's the document that has another short video in it, answering some questions that came up during last week's Zoom session. The information for the entire project is here on the Explainer Short Article Project Information page, and there is a video introduction. I really wish we had been able to go over all of that in class together in person, but I hope that the video gives you enough information to get an idea of what you're supposed to do and to get started. Remember, everything relies on, I believe it's chapter 8 in your textbook, the explainer. And you can also go to slate.com and check out their explainer articles, their explainer column, and see what they have as well. If you do have questions about the project as a whole, please let me know. I am asking you guys to keep up with brain dumps and some other writing assignments like this overhearing a conversation. You will need those for your final portfolio. That's the last thing we'll be doing this semester, and we will be working through that for the last couple of weeks of the semester. The explanatory thesis document, that assignment was, you need to submit that on the discussion board. If you're not sure how to use the discussion board, there's a video right here, kind of walks you through that. And you need to respond to the statements of your group members. There's some guidance for that, I believe. And then the sticky stuff. So you don't just read your articles, you want to find out what can you use from your articles. Now in this here, you're not necessarily committed to using everything that you come up with on this assignment, but you have a body of work that you can use. And that was the last thing you were supposed to be working on for week 9. It is a lot of work. Keep in mind that we would have done the majority of this in class, although you would have had this assignment already done when you came to class Monday, and then we would have started with developing a research question, statement of purpose. We would have gone over the whole project. And we may have even gotten to an explanatory thesis all on that Monday. So, we're trying to keep the same, not necessarily the exact same pace as we would in class, but we are doing the same kind of work we would have done in class. I'm trying to spread it out a little more, which is why if you're behind right now, don't worry. All right, now on to week 10. So some of you were able to come to our Zoom meeting this morning. That's great. Thank you for coming. If you weren't able to come, that's okay too. There's another opportunity on Wednesday morning at 8:45. I already have the link there because I was able to schedule that ahead of time. So looking at this week, I'm asking you to do your brain dump and your 5 senses inventory, and then I would like you to work on an outline or a web or a map or using Jamboard to plan out your article. So you're not drafting your article yet, but you're planning it. You're deciding what you want in different places of your article. So that's just planning that out. And I do want to see that you've been doing some planning, so I would like you to submit that on Blackboard. There, I don't think is a link available right now, but there will be after I make this video. Integrating sources, I have a presentation. I need to record the audio for the presentation, and then I will put that up as well. It's not that important that you have it today. There's nothing you have to do with it. It's some, at least not right now, but it is something that you need to be able to use with your draft. So again, there's the information for your project. So again, Wednesday morning at 8:45, we'll have a Zoom meeting. Bring your coffee. I'll bring mine. Wordshop, I will be recording a short video that will, or audio recording actually, that will walk you through what I want you to do for that. And that will be up sometime on Wednesday. And then your next step is to draft your short article, your explainer article, right? So those are the things that you need to be working on. Ideally, you would have everything submitted by Sunday night. I know that the ideal is not always going to match up with reality, so do the best that you can, and we will just keep plugging away together. In the meantime, stay inside, stay at home, stay safe, relax, and do your best.